We are in Sonmarg right now, and behind me you can see the Zedmoor Tunnel, or Zedmoor Tunnel as they call it, the first of the two prestigious projects that are ongoing as far as tunneling work and the larger objective of connecting Ladakh, giving it an all-weather 365 connection. Now this is the first step towards this, and it is a 2700 crore project which was initially started and hit several roadblocks because of the construction challenges, but finally it has been completed. Prime Minister will inaugurate it in some time from now, and this is a 6-kilometer tunnel. And when I say the larger objective, obviously the bigger tunnel, that is the Zojila tunnel, that's also being constructed, and once that is done, that construction is over, and Ladakh will have in fact, it will be a game changer for the region because it will provide a road connection, stable road connection, which won't be affected by snowfall. It won't be affected by other weather issues. So it is a very critical project as far as connecting Ladakh is concerned, not only for the civilians but also for the defense, because we know what happened in eastern Ladakh with the flare-up with the Chinese, and since there has been an increased focus on ensuring that road connectivity gets better. So these two projects are very critical when you take that context and you really talk of national security, of the tourism boost, of developmental boost. So this is very, very important. As you can see around me, preparations are in full swing. Foolproof security, obviously it's Kashmir and its Prime Minister's visit, so they're taking absolutely no chances. 3-tier security cordon is in place, aerial surveillance, and then you also have internet speeds that have been brought down here. So all steps in the book taken to ensure foolproof security, and the day goes on peacefully. But big day for Kashmir, for Ladakh, because the first tunnel will be inaugurated, and then everyone will wait for the Zojila tunnel to get completed, and then you will have an all-weather 365 year connection with Ladakh. The campus of Tariq Loan, Mir Farid, Sonmarg for India Today.